How to delete Linktree account permanently. If you'd like to delete your Linktree account permanently, it's very simple to do so. You can just go to Linktree website, which is linktr.ee. So once you log into the website, you want to just click on your profile name from the bottom left. You'll find this pop-up menu where you have to go to the option called My Account. So now once you go to the My Account button, you will be able to see this type of information right here. What you have to do here is simply scroll down all the way to the very bottom until you see this option that says delete forever. So all you have to do is just click on this delete account button that you can see. It will ask you that this action is permanent. Please be certain. So all you have to do is click on the continue button. If it asks you to verify with your password, go ahead and then do that. And just like that, your Linktree account will be permanently deleted. This way you'll be able to delete your Linktree account. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.